Hi, data professionals. Today, I would like to talk to you about three soft skills needed as a data analyst. I know that you have to learn the technical skills such as Excel, Power BI, Python, SQL. That is amazing, but your soft skills are as important as your hard skills or as your technical skills. And the first soft skills that we're talking about today is patience. Patience. Trust me, a lot of things are going to frustrate you in this journey. Frustration from stakeholders, frustration from clients, frustration from your manager, and the biggest frustration is when your codes are not running. I had my fair share of frustration today at work, and it was a bit of patience because I had to take some time out, take a break, and I came back to it and I was able to find solution to it. So you actually you need to be patient. You will face problems all the time, and then you need to be patient. The second soft skill is communication. You need to know how to speak the language of your stakeholders. You can't say because you're a data analyst and then you understand a programming language, so therefore you start speaking some ambiguous words to your stakeholders or your managers. People will be looking at you like this, like, what are you trying to communicate? I know that communication is a two-way thing. It's not about you just blabbing, right? The other person has to understand and then give you feedback on what has been communicated. So you need to learn how to communicate. Make it simple, break it down in such a way that a layman would understand what you're actually trying to talk about. The third soft skills I'll talk about today is problem solving. You need to know how to solve your client problem, and the way to solve problem is gaining clarity, right? So you need to know what exactly is the problem I am trying to solve. Ask questions, like ask them over and over again. Make sure you and your manager or you and your stakeholder or you and your client are on the same page. Please do not try to assume for your manager or your stakeholders. Seek clarity on what exactly they want you to do, and then deploy your models, your algorithm, your DAX, your code to solve that particular problem. Sometimes in this data analytics journey, you can't do overdo no dey work. I'm sorry I had to speak that, but then sometimes they don't try to do overdo, you know what I mean, like doing more than what was requested. You might be shocked by the way it will be turned down, but then you can also suggest, I think this will also go alongside with this. If they approve it, fine. If they don't approve it, is also fine. So I'll recap again the three major soft skills a data analyst need. Number one is patience. Number two is communication. Number three is problem solving. Go out there and be the best data analyst. Cheers.